Today I'll review the Forex Trade Hunter, a robot that can bring steady profits in the long term. If your goal is to make 10% a month or 100% a year from trading, this video is not for you. It is also not for you if you want to get rich quickly from algo trading. This video is about realistic algo trading, and it took me many years of trading with robots to figure out that this is the only way. I will show you 3 of my live accounts where I achieve steady results over the long term, which is perfect if you want to retire or earn passive income from EAs. And the Forex Trade Hunter is the first in the table with the demo accounts, and you can see that it achieved nearly 2% in 26 days. Actually, this table with the demo accounts and all of my funded and live accounts challenges is visible only for our VIP users. So if you want to join, check out the link down below in the description. And if I show you the track record of this demo account where I've been trading the Forex Trade Hunter, you will see that initially it went on a small loss, then it recovered and some great profits, achieving nearly 2% for the last 1 month. If I go to stats, you will see that the monthly return is 2.2. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Profit factor is nearly 3, which is great. And if I go to symbol, you will see that it trades on euro, yen, and on euro dollar. Most net profit came from the euro dollar trades. And I'll open $1,000 live account with Eightcap, and I'll be trading there only the top performing currency pair for the last 30 days. In this case, it is the euro dollar. But now let me show you the robot on the MetaTrader platform, which is right in here. I'll drag and drop it on the recording screen. You will see the back test which I prepared prior to recording the video. I started with $1,000 exactly. Here it is, and I am back testing it on euro dollar, and you will see that since 2020 the account just doubled, right? For 5 years, not for 1 year. And you will notice that there were a few drawdowns, but this is with the equity. If I show you the chart where it is trading, you will notice that initially it would buy whenever we have a signal for a long trade, and if the price goes in the right direction, it will just close. And then we have a long trade that was closed right in here. Here we have a short trade that was closed on a profit. But let me just show you the history, and I will just increase it a little bit so we can see all of the trades we have so far. So with the euro dollar, we had just 4 trades. The first one started with 0.05, then we have another trade with 0.1 lot, then we have 0.06, 0.06 again. You will also see that we have a stop loss with the strategy. If I show you the properties, you will notice that I can trade with fixed lot, and I can set all risk. In this case, I have selected 0.5, but for the live account, I'll definitely will be trading with 0.01 or the lowest quantity possible. And there are more settings in the expert advisor, but the best thing would be if you want to trade it with different risk or different account size, you can just perform a back test and change some of the inputs. For example, if you want to see how it would go with higher risk, you can change it to 2 or even 5% and just perform a back test. This will give you an idea of how much you would be risking, and it's important if you're using this expert advisor on funded accounts where you have usually 10% drawdown limit, or on challenges. But here it is. Here is the back test with the bigger risk, and you can see that there are some bigger drawdowns because of the higher risk. But as I said, I'll start with $1,000 live account from Eightcap because it is fully regulated broker. I already have plenty of accounts with them. I'm happy with their conditions, especially when it comes to euro dollar or the major currency pairs and the gold. So I'll leave the link to Eightcap down below in the description if you want to test the broker with a demo or live account. I'll leave the track record to the new live account that I'm opening right after recording this video. So you can see how the Forex Trade Hunter is performing in live environments. And something interesting, this expert advisor is really cheap. My team found it on the website called automatedforextools.com, and here it is, Forex Trend Hunter. There are a few more expert advisors. I just started testing the first 3. Okay, the backtest is ready with a higher risk, I'll show you in a second. But the Forex Trend Hunter comes with a few track records, and some of those are really interesting. There is one for the euro dollar and there is for the euro yen. If I show you that, you'll see that it gained 815%. That's a demo account actually, and you can see that it says risk of 5. So it started with $1,000 with risk of 5 on euro yen only. There is risk of 0.5 with the euro dollar, so you'll see the difference. If I show you that track record, you will see that it achieved just 10% since June, and that is until December. I noticed that the track record wasn't updated. I asked the vendor what's the reason, and they said that was a micro account and the broker FX Open stopped supporting micro accounts, so they had to close it and they will start a new account. But just have a look at these track records and you will see how it would perform with 1% risk on 10k account, euro dollar only, or how it would perform on dollar yen with 1%. But let me show the backtest so you'll see the difference when you are risking more, and in this case it's 5%. So you will see that from $1,000 it reached to nearly $16,000, but at one moment the account was nearly blown, right? So that's the risk you are taking when you put higher exposure or more lots into the trading. That's why if you trade live, take it easy, go small, so you will reduce the risk and the drawdowns. And one more time, I'll just stick to our risk of 1 or just 0.01 for every $1,000 in the account. And I said I'll show you 3 of my live accounts that I'm already trading with steady profits in the long term. The first one I want to show you is the Waka Waka that is trading on $3,000 account. It made 3.3% in the last 30 days. If I show you the track record, you will see a very steady performance. And if I click on stats, you will see that it makes an average of 3.3% a month. The other account I want to show you is the live account where I'm trading the gold EAs from the top 10 up. If I show you the track record, you will see that I have a total return of 17.6% for the last 119 days. As well, in stats, we have an average monthly return of 4.1%. And in this account, I'm trading the top 5 gold expert advisors by looking at the last 5 years, 1 year, and 1 month. In other words, I am looking at the gold expert advisors starting from the last 5 years. I pick the top ones and I want to make sure that they are still profitable for the last 1 year or for the last 1 month. And actually there is a free trial for the gold robots until the end of the month, so I'll leave the link in the description. And the last account I want to show you is with the Powerhouse EA, that is again 5k account. It made already 25% gain in 111 days. If I show you the track record, you will notice a very steady performance from 3 of the strategies of the Powerhouse. If I show you the stats, you will see an average of 6.1% a month. That is realistic trading, guys, and that's what this channel is all about. I want to share my results transparently, and I'll be super happy to hear your feedback down below in the comments. And if you have experience with any of the EAs I mentioned as well, adding the Forex Trend Hunter to my portfolio of steady EAs that bring really decent results in the long term is a great opportunity for me. But as always, I start on a demo, then a small or $1,000 account, and then I'll consider putting it on a bigger account. And if you are risky type of trader, check out this video on my side and you will see that I tried to flip $500 into 10k account. Well, it didn't work really as I expected it, but there is time and it might happen. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.